another new vlog. Now, before starting the vlog, I want to tell you that this vlog be in English because I will be using some microbiology related terms which will be difficult to be explained in any other languages. But why? Because this video is all about the 10th edition of VIT Biosummit. So, aren't you guys excited for it? Yes, na? So, don't skip a single second and watch the full video till the end, since I will tell each and every minute details of VIT Biosummit 2023 which might help you. And at the last, there is a surprise waiting for you. So, keep watching. So, I am ready for Biosummit. Meet you there soon. Just have a look at the beautiful rangoli made by the students with flower. Isn't it really appreciable? Biosummit is an event organized by the School of Biosciences and Technology in VIT for bridging the gap between academia and industry. It is a two-day event. On the first day, highly esteemed industry experts, foreign delegates come, and there is a panel discussion where the students can raise their questions, including there are two events, Patriot and Forensic Science. On the second day, there is a presentation of the Patriot and events such as MPL and Treasure Hunt. We will shortly discuss all in details. So, the very first event of Biosummit 2023 is Patriot. Now by the name Petri, we can understand that it has something to do with the Petri dish. Now on the very first day, we will be the participant who have registered for Patriot competition will be provided with some media in the Petri plates. They have to maintain a proper sterile condition and make some beautiful designs with the help of bacterial culture and keep it for incubation. Now after 24 hours or overnight growth, their bacterial colonies will appear on the place where the person have touched the culture and hence show beautiful designs on the Petri plate. This is what Patriot is all about.
Biosummit 2023 will help the students in getting more internships, placements, skill set and entrepreneurship development all together in a bigger way to shape their career. With this word, I wholeheartedly welcome all of you in the 10th edition of VIT Biosummit and thank you for being part of this remarkable journey.
After the felicitations of the guests and the alumni and the inauguration ceremony, there were 4 panel discussions. The first panel discussion was with various industry persons. They explained what do they want to see in the candidates of appearing for their jobs. How should we prepare himself for getting the job? How should be our presentation? What extra things can make our CV highly different from the others? The second discussion was about the role of women in the field of biotechnology. It consisted of various life experiences of the panel members, what difficulties they faced and how they finally overcome it. Hence, they tried to prove that life is not a bed of roses. There will be difficulties on our way, but we have to overcome it and fight back with all our strength and power. Now, the second event of Biosummit is Forensic Science. It basically consists of 2 rounds. The first round consists of some basic questions relating to the fields of forensics and biological sciences. It's basically a MCQ type questions. You will be given about around 20 to 25 questions and you will be asked to answer it in 15 minutes. There will be 4 options for each and every questions. Like I am giving you some examples, like who was the discoverer of the Bombay blood group? What was the term for analysis of chemical compositions of soil found in the crime scenes? You have to answer these questions as accurately as possible. Now, if you answer all these questions or try to answer these questions accurately, and you will be promoted to round 2. In round 2, you have to form a group of 2 to 3 members that might vary depending upon the qualifiers. There you will be given some frictional crime scene story and you have to solve them on the basis of the clues and data available in that plot, and you will be judged on the basis of your accuracy and the way of thinking of solving the crime scenes. This was the glimpse of the forensic event. In this whole video, I have covered the small minute details of Biosummit. So keep watching. The third panel was on the topic of technology innovation and entrepreneurship development of younger minds. The fourth panel was on the topic of higher education and opportunities of life science graduates in India and abroad, where they told us how to apply for abroad studies for higher education. The third event of VIT Biosummit is Treasure Hunt. Now, what is it? There consists of 2 rounds and you have to participate this in groups. In first round, you will be asked to solve one puzzle or crossword with the help of microbiology related terms. Suppose, for example, you have in question number 1 in horizontal, you have been asked who is the father of modern microbiology. You have to fill that box with the help of the suitable answer. The suitable answer is Patriot. So you have to put the word Patriot in question number 1 in horizontal row. Now, if you qualify this round, you will be promoted to round number 2. Now, what is that? That is the main thing of treasure hunt. You will be provided with some clues to find something in the VIT campus. With the help of the clue, you have to discover the thing in VIT campus and report it to the organizer. The organizer will then ask you to solve some puzzle. The group who will be doing all the tasks efficiently and in less time will get the ranks accordingly. For this event, we were provided with a t-shirt and some welcome kits. And between all this, 2 refreshments and 2 meals, which includes the lunch and dinner, was served, which was really awesome. And at the end of that hectic schedule, the cultural program was so relaxing. Now, let's have a look at some glimpses of the cultural program. The fourth event of VIT Biosummit 2023 is MPL or Microbial Premier League. It's a similar kind of virtual auction, you can tell, because there is no cash in hand. Actually, it's all virtual. Now it consists of 2 rounds. The first round consists of some MCQs. 15 to 20 MCQs in 15 minutes you have to solve. You will be provided with some basic questions of microbiology field. For example, what is the media used to grow yeast and mold? You will be provided with 4 options. You have to choose the most appropriate ones. The teams who are securing the highest marks will be promoted to round number 2, where you will be provided with some amount of virtual cash and you have to design one product. For example, you want to make nutrient agar for the growth of bacteria. For that reason, you need peptone, beef extract, NaCl. These all substances will be provided to you virtually, and you have to compete with the other group members who need to buy the same product for designing their own product. For example, you need peptone for making nutrient agar. The other 5 groups also need peptone for designing their own product. So you have to compete with the other group members and buy that peptone by offering that a higher amount of cash virtually. So in this way you have to buy all the products needed to design, all the ingredients needed to design your products. The groups who will be doing it efficiently and successfully will get their ranks accordingly. So guys, see what I have tried to draw on the Petri plate with the help of E. coli culture. It's a bacteriophage with its head, tail infecting a bacterial cell.
Because pulling out an event like this is not so easy because it involves a lot of...
Next I need to call Suprativ for the second prize. Suprativ and big round of applause. Suprativ and Officer Rania. Both of them are marvelous now. And a big round of applause to
So
Himanshu
hopefully
and team.
you have all enjoyed the vlog. Stay safe and healthy. Meet you soon in another new vlog. Bye.